Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. In this video I will be discussing on multivariate statistics. I will be focusing on discriminant analysis technique. Discriminant analysis technique. To test the hypothesis of zero difference between two groups, zero difference between two groups, p variables, mean vectors mu1 minus mu2, first Mahalanobis dp square is calculated. Also, the distribution of dp square is approximated to f distribution. Dp square is approximated to f distribution, and thereby the test is performed. Another test is based on likelihood test ratio. This test is known as Wilks Lambda test. It was given by S.S. Wilks in 1932. This test later was extended by M.S. Bratlett in 1934. The basic idea behind this test was to choose coefficients of linear compound. In a way that the ratio of mean squares due to within samples W mod and combined variance covariance matrix W plus B is minimum. Thus we can say that A is equals to mod of W by mod of W plus B. The F distribution based on A is determined and test is performed in the usual manner. Now, another question is how to obtain discriminant scores. How to obtain discriminant scores. So, in a discriminant function, the unstandardized coefficients are multiplied by corresponding variable values. The sum of this product results into a constant value termed as discriminant score. The sum of these products results into a constant value termed as discriminant score. For each group member, we will get a separate value of discriminant score. Now, I'll be moving on in what areas can cluster analysis be used. I'll be explaining cluster analysis to you in the next video, but first I'll be telling you about its uses. Cluster analysis uses. It can be used in taxonomy, market segmentation, higher level image processing, higher level image processing, search of similar gene profile, specification of syndromes, specifications of syndromes, visualization of complex graphs, visualization of complex graphs, and finally text categorization in information retrieval. Text categorization in information retrieval. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your queries on multivariate analysis. For more videos, you can keep checking our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.